Got to take it all back there. Comes up, goes in on the top. Got my handy dandy wrench here. It's so rusty, it leaked it rusted through and it's squirting oil out of the pressure side on the turbo supply line. I gotta replace that. Got a new one here. $90 piece. See if we can put her on. The little O-ring goes in the bottom down there, and the other gasket goes up here on the top. There's where it was leaking. I tried to patch it with some tape and some clamps. It didn't work, but it is pretty rusty. And we got the shiny new one here. I'll attempt to try to put that in there. It created quite a mess. Indiana. Okay, we got the supply line replaced. Got the rusty one off that was leaking. Put the brand spanking new one on. Put a new gasket on. I used the old bolts because I didn't have any bolts. My return line right here needs to be replaced too, but I'm gonna wait on that. Here's the old one. There's the patch. Number 14 wrench, crescent wrench. Bought this one at Menards for about 15 bucks. Texas hammer. That ought to fix my old nasty leak. Got oil sprayed all over the side of my truck, dripping down on. Got it on my brand new APU. Now, need to find a streaking beacon and don't get this truck washed. Out here. All right, we got all the oil washed off. I go pick up the trailer. Okay, what we got today, I'm up in Indiana somewhere. Stupid mask. Anyway, picking up this MRI trailer. It's got a cooler on it, or a generator, or whatever you want to call it. It's got to run on life support till I get it down to where I need to get, where you can plug it into 3-phase. Anyway, it's inside this building, so I'm gonna try to set you up here so you can watch me drive in. See if we can get down inside this building here. Tight fit right here.
We good? Gotta get the one to the right. the one on the left. They got enough of them in here.